You are watching Learn with Shivani. Hello children. Today we will learn alphabet V. V for van, V for van, V for van. V for vegetables, V for vegetables, V for vegetables. V for violin, V for violin, V for violin. V for vulture, V for vulture, V for vulture. V for village, V for village, V for village. V for volcano, V for volcano, V for volcano. V for west, V for west, V for west. V for volleyball, V for volleyball, V for volleyball. V for vase, V for vase, V for vase. V for vowel, V for vowel, V for vowel. V for vinegar, V for vinegar, V for vinegar. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and please press the bell icon for notification.